देवियों और सज्जनों, बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, वाबी साबी एट 50 फ्लाइट में आपका स्वागत है। अब हम बागडोगरा जाने के लिए तैयार हैं। हम ये दूरी कुछ ही घंटों में पूरी करेंगे। कुर्सी की पेटी बांध ले और गेट रेडी फॉर द स्टनिंग फेरी स्नोलैंड ऑफ इंडिया। Welcome and welcome back to Wabi Sabi Adventures at 50. This is Sikkim. Isn't it beautiful? I think it is stunning. ऊपर वाले ने इसको बहुत फुर्सत से बनाया है. I went to Sikkim a decade ago on the itinerary made by my husband. Now you know what I did there? Just enjoy Tibetan food, enjoy the scenic beauty, some shopping. That's it. Over the years, I got to know that I had missed out on so many beautiful parts of Sikkim in the north and south, and we decided to give Sikkim a second chance. Second chance Sikkim को तो बनता है. This time I made the itinerary with my daughter. Now, another very important part, my favorite travel buddy is my daughter, who is as adventurous as I am. Tell me, who's your favorite travel buddy? Put it in the comments. I would love to know. When we were deciding to visit Sikkim again last year, we were thinking, should we book everything by ourselves or engage a travel agent? Now you see, many parts of Sikkim come under the army areas and require many formalities, paperwork, permits. So we thought, let us engage a travel agent, even though it might cost us a little, but it will save the time for the formalities and we can actually enjoy the place instead of just running around. So we sent out our requirements to a couple of travel agents, and one travel agent based out of Delhi reached out with a reasonable itinerary. Now they gave us two quotations. One was approximately 45,000 and another was 65,000. Now what is the difference? The 45,000 and the 65,000 itineraries have the same cabs, the permit cost is the same. What is different is the kind of hotels. We have normal ordinary hotels in the 45,000 itinerary and 4-star hotels and above in the 65,000 itinerary. We decided for the higher end because I think we deserve to be pampered. What do you say? So we went for the 65,000 itinerary. We paid the first part of the installment. Now I come to the very important part of this episode. You must be very careful when you engage a travel agent, because you know, once you start giving them the installments, it is difficult to get that money back. I mean, there are lots of formalities, you don't get the entire amount back. So once we paid them, we got to know over time that a part of Sikkim was not open. You see, in 2023 October there was a flash flood and a part of Sikkim was completely destroyed. There were no roads you could take to reach that place, especially I'm talking about Lachen. Now many tourists were kept in darkness by the travel agents and it was not disclosed to them. And when we got to know, I think we were smart enough, we checked with the Sikkim tourism office and they told us Lachen to खुलेगा ही नहीं अप्रैल में, रोड ही नहीं है, आप कैसे जाओगे? And when we charged our travel agent, they completely denied it. They said, okay, if you want to change Lachen, we will not refund the money, but we'll put you in Gangtok for 2 nights. We were not okay to be in Gangtok for 2 nights because I think 1 night is absolutely fine because you would be spending another night when you are leaving Gangtok. So we didn't want 3 nights in Gangtok. So we said, okay, give us 2 nights in Pelling instead, which is in the southern part of Sikkim, and there's a lot to do there also. And we were smart because Lachen has only opened this year. When you choose a travel agent, do your own due diligence. Don't blindly leave everything to them. Anyway, the time came and we flew to Sikkim. But you know, before I go ahead, let me tell you that the floods were so painful. I mean, so many people lost their lives, and especially the army men. They were untraceable. You feel sad to see Sikkim in this state. However, I'm sure it is much better now and the roads are better because army was working really day and night to fix Sikkim back so that it is open to tourists once again. Unfortunately, we missed Lachen. We have to go back there again. Now, this year if you're going, don't miss Lachen and Lachung. Now, let us go to Sikkim and I will show you the wonderful things that you can do there, wonderful places you can see there. So, come along. Let's go to the fairyland of India, Sikkim. Ever had a trip that starts in the skies and lands right into your heart? That's exactly what this flight from Bangalore to Bagdogra felt like, a soul calling to the snowy wonderland of North Sikkim. As we drove 120 kilometers towards Gangtok, the roads were bumpy, but my excitement did not care. With every curve, the temperature dropped and my anticipation rose. सिलीगुड़ी से निकलते ही टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप होता है. लेयर्ड क्लोथिंग नॉट ऑप्शनल. और अगर आप गैंगटॉक के क्लीन स्ट्रीट में प्लास्टिक यूज करते पकड़े गए तो बस फाइन भरना पड़ेगा. यस, दे आर दैट स्ट्रिक्ट. वी वर वार्न्ड बाय आवर ड्राइवर राइट ऑन द फर्स्ट डे एंड ऑनेस्टली रिस्पेक्ट. आवर पिट स्टॉप, चाजुम बार एंड रेस्टोरेंट. Cool food, local vibes, just what we needed to fuel the journey. And I just enjoyed my daughter polishing up plate after plate of momos. Reaching Gangtok post sunset, we wandered on the oh so beautiful Mall Road. Generally, the first evening at Gangtok is free. You can shop to your heart's content and eat. I celebrated my birthday here. It is clean, peaceful, and you can feel the community pride. No one litters the place. In 1998, Sikkim became the first state to ban disposable plastic. With the government initiative, the locals joined hands, and together they ensure that everything is clean. There is evidently a lot of effort to beautify Gangtok. We checked into Samit Namnang, our resting nest for the night. Comfortable, aesthetic, and preparing us for the real deal ahead. This is a great property in a cozy location. Very comfortable room with amazing mountain views. Early morning we headed for Somgo or Changu Lake. At 3,780 meters, this oval-shaped gem reflects the sky like poetry. The reflection of the sky on the lake is very moody. It is different in every season. Sometimes grey, sometimes green, sometimes blue. You will spot Brahmini ducks and migratory birds dancing over frozen silence. Trust me, ये जगह तो एक स्वर्ग ही है. Next stop, Baba Harbhajan Singh Mandir. Baba Harbhajan Singh died on October 4, 1968, near the Nathula Pass in Sikkim. He drowned while escorting a mule caravan. This is not just a shrine of a soldier, you know. His spirit still protects the Indo-China border. Goosebumps? Guaranteed. It is believed that he still guards the borders and warns the Indian soldiers from before of any kind of danger from the enemies. Incredible, isn't it? A soldier narrated some of the remarkable stories. Even today, people write letters to Baba Harbhajan Singh and drop them in the box for them to come true. And then snow. Real falling magical snow at Nathula Pass. It's an experience of its kind to see the Indo-China border, you know, and our Indian soldiers. The barracks. This is the time you will see the real hardship of our soldiers in protecting our border. You don't have to imagine anything, you see it right here. It is tough, it is cold, it is ruthless. We were lucky to get snow here. It was actually snowing. But here's the trap. I wasn't dressed enough for it. Learn from my mistake. Caps, gloves, thermals, सब कुछ पहन के आना. Permits and cabs are not the part of your tour package. You will have to pay around rupees 3,000 extra for a family of 2 with a child. But every paisa is worth it. The driver gets the permit for you. You will need to carry valid documents like the driving license or passport. Aadhaar card will not work. After breakfast, we started our day early by checking out of the hotel in Gangtok and proceeding towards Lachung. It is a mountain village perched at a height of 8,800 feet and is close to the Tibetan border. It is also home to the 19th century Buddhist Lachung Monastery. Surrounded by apple orchards, this destination is mesmerizing. As you drive through the magnificent roads in Sikkim, you will see thousands of white and colorful flags fluttering in the wind. Initially, we thought it is just for beautification, but the driver told us that the colorful flags are in honor of the monks, and white flags in particular are in honor of the monks who have left for the heavenly abode. En route, we visited the Seven Sisters waterfall. The view is paradisiacal. It offers its visitors a stunning view of Mount Kanchenjunga and Mount Sinyolchu. The Seven Sisters waterfall is one of the most pristine waterfalls in the region. It derives its name from the fact that it cascades in 7 stages and is extremely captivating. So the journey is full of apple orchards, greenery, mountains, waterfalls, bridges, broken roads also under repair, long lines of cars. You are advised to leave early to avoid traffic jam. The rest of it is absolutely lovely and enchanting. And Sikkimese lunch you just can't miss. Snow-peaked mountains smiling down at you. We checked into Etho Mentho Hotel, booked by our travel agent, a hotel we were not happy with at all. I would recommend the Summit brand here again. After a night's rest, we were again ready for the next day's mountain adventure, Mount Katao. Housed in North Sikkim, nearly 28 kilometers from Lachung, the magnificent peak of Mount Katao is an ideal place for adventure. Getting here requires a permit from the Indian Army. The mountain trail is lined with majestic alpine forest and stunning waterfalls. These trails climb up to sweeping views of neighboring peaks. Mount Katao is one of the most beautiful and offbeat tourist places in Lachung and unveils the grand beauty to the selected who love offbeat places. Then comes 0 Point. Snow so white, sky so clear. It felt like walking into God's own sketchbook. We rented out snow boots from here at a nominal rate of ₹100 because the snow is soft and your feet will sink into the white field, and it is difficult to walk in normal shoes unless they are tough proper boots. But reality check, diarrhea hit me. Challenge, no washrooms, no water, endless white and a weak stomach. Why? Stream water temptation. On our driver's recommendation, I drank the stream water, which is believed to cure illnesses. Big mistake, instead I got one. Pro tip, bottled water only. Carry nausea, high altitude medicine and diarrhea medicines. Well, diarrhea is no joke. Your intestines might just throw a party without warning. Oops, that is snow on my face. Snow is everywhere. Is this a place on earth? Am I in India? We paid approximately 5,000 for Mount Katao and 0 Point after bargaining. These are always paid extra to the drivers and not part of the package. They also arrange for the permits. Last stop, Yamthang Valley at 11,800 feet above sea level. The valley and flowers are breathtaking. The surrounding mountains are so heavenly. You will start believing that you are in God's paradise. Yamthang Valley, also known as the Valley of Flowers, is a charming location in North Sikkim, well known for its vivid alpine meadows, rolling vistas of snow-capped mountains, including the sublime Kanchenjunga. Be prepared to get bewitched by the breathtaking beauty of Yamthang. The nature sanctuary is home to a river, hot springs, billy goats, yak, horses grazing pastures on rolling meadows that is enclosed by the mighty Himalayan mountains. Even with an upset stomach, ये जगह देख के लगा God is an artist and I was walking through his gallery. Colors, mountains, peace, sukoon. Next stop will be Pelling. Gardens, monasteries, jaw-dropping views. Till then, ये स्नोई मिस्ट में भेज रही हूँ आपको एक क्लाउड हग के साथ. दिस इज वाबी साबी एडवेंचर एट 50 साइनिंग ऑफ फ्रॉम नॉर्थ सिक्किम. अपना ख्याल रखना और यादों का सफर जारी रखना.